is going on YouTube, and welcome back to my YouTube channel. Today's video, I'm going to be showing you how you can get Baldur's Gate 3 for free in 2023. That's a lot of threes there, guys, but basically this is going to get you the full game, digital game, and it's going to give you a code which you can download on any platform of your choice, no matter where you play, whether it's PC or PlayStation, for example. You can use this code and it's going to download Baldur's Gate 3 for free. So I'm going to be recording my mobile phone screen and putting it here so you can all follow along and get your copy of the game. So basically you need to go to your internet on your mobile phone and you need to go to this website, guys, Gift Card Hero. Hopefully you can type better than me. And you're looking for giftcardhero.net. Make sure you go to .net. You can either go to Google or you can just type www.giftcardhero.net into the internet. Now this page, we need to look for the Baldur's Gate 3 game code page. So press menu and go up to the search bar here and just type in Baldur's. And here we go, Baldur's Gate 3 free game code for all platforms. Tap to open the page. You can see this has been used hundreds of times, so this is actually a really popular method, but I haven't seen anyone else using this method on YouTube, so I thought I'd share it with you all. There's a bit of information about the game. I'm sure you already know about the game, it's pretty cool. Scroll down. So here we go, this is the section, this part here we're interested in. This is a free digital copy of Baldur's Gate 3, and you can see it's been verified today, and there's a bunch of codes left. These numbers sometimes don't update on the website, but if you can find the Baldur's Gate 3 page, that means there's still codes that you can get. So tap Get Game Code to secure your code. And you can see this is a verification. This is completely normal, guys. This just verifies you're a real person, basically. I believe robots come on and steal all of the game codes to resell, so this just protects them. So let's follow the instructions on this page. You can see we need to complete a couple of these free tasks here, and they range from application installs to surveys. So I'm just going to go ahead, click on this top one, just run through the questions. Only takes a couple of minutes, so I need to input my email address. So I'm going to go ahead and load up a second one as well, just to speed this up. And I'll do both of these off camera, guys. I'm just going to input my email and whatever other information it requires. So I'll do these and I'll return in a second. Okay guys, so I just completed both of those surveys and making sure you fully complete whatever two tasks you can choose. And like I say, there is a description below each one. You can see, for example, I did the two at the top, which is like submit your email, fill in your personal details, and they're all free, so there's no real issue there. So I've done two of them, and now you simply go back to your tabs, go back to giftcardhero.net. Here, scroll back down to where we click that button, and you can see it's now turned into a code. This is a digital game code for Baldur's Gate 3 that I can literally enter in on my Xbox, and it's going to start downloading the game for free. Or you can do it whatever platform you're on. It works for PC as well. So that is how easy it is, guys. You're going to save yourself tons of money and enjoy a free game. And Baldur's Gate is pretty fun, so I highly recommend you do this. You need to go to giftcardhero.net and get your digital game code for Baldur's Gate 3. If you need any help, you can leave a comment below. I'm always willing to help you out. Please hit the like button, and I'll see you next time.